Unleashing the power of chat. 5 super easy ways to make money in the digital age. Opportunities to capitalize on innovative technologies abound. One such groundbreaking technology is Chat, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Beyond its capacity to engage in natural language conversations, ChatGPT also offers exciting possibilities for those seeking to make money online. In this blog post, we'll explore 5 super easy ways to turn your interactions with chat into a lucrative venture. Content creation and copywriting. If you possess a flair for words, you can leverage chat to generate high-quality content and copy. Many businesses and website owners are in constant need of fresh, engaging content. You can offer your services on freelance platforms or create your own platform to connect with clients. Use chat to draft blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media content. By providing valuable and well-crafted material, you can establish a steady stream of income. Virtual assistants and customer support. Businesses often require virtual assistant or chat-based customer support. ChatGPT can be utilized to automate responses, handle common queries, and streamline communication processes. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant or customer support agent, catering to the needs of businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent places to kickstart your freelancing journey. Chatbot development. Create and sell custom chatbots powered by chat to businesses looking to automate their customer interactions. Many companies are eager to integrate chatbots into their website or applications to enhance user experience and streamline communication. Develop specialized chatbots for industries like e-commerce, healthcare, or education. Platforms like ChatGPT-3 Playground and Microsoft Bot Framework can help you get started with your chatbot development endeavors. Educational content and tutoring. Use chat to generate educational content or assist in tutoring students. Whether it's helping with homework, providing explanations of complex topics, or generating study guides, there's a growing demand for personalized online education. Offer your expertise on platforms like Chegg Tutors or create your own tutoring service. By leveraging chat, you can enhance the learning experience for students and generate income simultaneously. Customized creative writing. Tap into the creative potential of chat to offer personalized, custom-written content. This could include creating unique stories, poems, or even personalized letters. Many individuals seek one-of-a-kind, sentimental pieces of writing for special occasions. Market your services on creative platforms, social media, or even through your own website to connect with clients looking for that extra touch of personalization. With the incredible capabilities of chat, making money online has never been more accessible. Whether you're a wordsmith, a tech enthusiast, or an educator, there are numerous opportunities to monetize your interactions with chat. By exploring these super easy ways, you can turn your creativity and expertise into a sustainable source of income in the digital landscape. So seize the opportunity, unleash the power of chat, and embark on a journey of innovation and financial success.